Our lesson essential question is, how can we compare two numbers? So today we'll be talking about comparing numbers. We're going to be comparing them using greater than, less than, and equal to. So you've probably learned in the past that the symbol eats the bigger number. This is the greater than symbol. This is the less than symbol. And this symbol means equal to. When we compare digits or numbers, we start with the digit that has the highest place value. So I'm comparing 325 and 225. I want to start with the highest place value first. The hundreds is my highest, so I'm looking at the 3 and the 2. I know that 3 is bigger than or greater than 2, so automatically I already know 325 is greater than 225. And this is the greater than symbol. And notice how the symbol is eating the bigger number. So we're always starting with the highest place value. So again, we're starting with the highest place value. I look in my hundreds place. They're both 7s. So I don't know yet which one's greater and which one's less. So I need to move to the tens place. I have a 3 and a 5. I know that 3 is less than 5. 5 is greater than 3. Since 5 is bigger, I know that 756 is greater than 736. So 736 is less than 756. This is the symbol for less than. Notice that it's turned away from 736. It's eating the greater number. So again, I'm going to practice one more. We're starting with the highest place value. I have 8s in my hundreds place, so I don't know if one's greater or less than at this point. I move on to my tens place. 2 9s. So still, I don't know. Then I move on to my ones place. And I see that they're the same too. That means my numbers are equal to each other. So 897 is equal to 897. Again, remember, when you are comparing numbers, you need to start with the highest place value. If they're the same, you move on to the next highest place value. If they're the same, you move on to the next one until you find out that they're equal or that one is bigger than the other.